Hi there, this is Chase Murphy, a senior consultant with ProVal Tech, coming at you with another video about Ninja RMM. The version 10 just dropped recently, and we wanted to go over some of the new features, particularly pertaining to patching. So here we are, we'll get right into it. First, on the update schedule, you can now stagger over several hours if you are having any partners that have poor connections or just have machines that are slower, and you know that you don't want to overburden their network. You can distribute the patching schedule over several hours. Just make sure you leave enough time for the window to actually have that happen. Obviously, you can't stagger it over the duration, otherwise that won't work. A couple other features, they did add in a pre-stage update before scheduled start that will pre-download the updates before the actual window starts in case those partners again have slower connections and need more time to download the patches. There's another new feature that we think is really great here at ProVal, that is the maintenance mode suppress during the patching window. So if you are getting quite annoyed by any offline server notifications during the reboots, this feature might be for you. So you can set the maintenance mode to on, and you can suppress either the condition alerts or the notification channels if you don't want either coming through or just one or the other. So those are some of the new features in the patch manager or patch management in Ninja RMM. If this video is useful to you, please like or subscribe. We appreciate it greatly. Thank you.